And following the Royal Rangers, I think that we have the Self-Destructing Washing Machine Band for the second consecutive year in our Currituck County Parade.
They are a favorite.
They are indeed. The Self-Destructing Washing Machine Band. That is an awesome name. Okay, thank you. So we're oh my God, I'm going to pass out. All right, we're still working on getting our fire trucks around that turn down there, but we're about to get there. Just gives you more time to listen to the Self-Destructing Washing Machine Band.
They're really good. They do seem to be like jamming out back there.
I believe they're having a large time, right? We're clearing the pipes on the car back here.
Did you plug that right directly into your phone?
I don't think it comes out. We're getting a full-on concert up here. And we didn't even have to pay for it.
It is nice.
Full band, full show, I'm telling you. Hey, look, coming into the frame now,